Now we have this problem. While landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. Now see, this is the position of the plane. Suppose it is landing at the airport. So AB is the ground level. Now when it is landing, it is making an angle of depression of 20 degree. Okay. Pilot made an angle of depression of 20 degree. So here is our angle PCB, the angle of depression of 20 degree with the ground. The other thing he says that the average speed of the plane was 200 kilometers per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Now reaching the ground after 54 seconds means this distance covered is in how many seconds? 54 seconds. Distance BC covered is in 54 seconds. You have to find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. When it started landing, what was the height of the plane? So this AC we have to find out. Now as such, you know that angle of depression, angle PCA will be equal to angle CBA. They are alternate angles. Fine. We have the speed and we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed is 200 kilometers per hour. What is the distance? As I showed you in the figure, this distance is the distance covered in 54 seconds when the plane was landing. So we have written for distance BC. The time taken to cover this distance BC is 54 seconds. So your BC will be what? It will be speed into time. 200 multiplied by 54 seconds. Now if the speed is in 20 kilometers per hour, we will have to convert this seconds into hours. So let us convert the second into hours by dividing 54 by 3600. Okay, so that means 60 into 60. Cancellation of the terms, that is we cancel the 2 zeros with these 2 zeros. Then we have 6 ones are 6 nines are 54. Then we cancel 2 ones and 2 threes are 6 and 3 ones are 3 threes. So the distance BC is how many kilometers? 3 kilometers. Fine. Now we consider angle PCB is equal to angle CBA is equal to 20 degree. Since what kind of angles are they? They are alternate angles. These two angles. PCB is equal to CBA. So they are alternate angles. So we go for the right triangle CAB. So now in right triangle CAB, angle CBA is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, we'll have to take the sine ratio because that hint is given to us. Sine 20. So here we have to go for sine 20. Sine ratio is opposite upon the hypotenuse. We got the hypotenuse as 3 kilometers. So AC upon BC. The value of sine 20 is 0.342. AC you have to find out. BC is 3. So AC will be equal to 3 multiplied by 0.342. So AC is equal to, now see, 3 2s is 6. 3 4s is 12. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. Okay. Decimal point after how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So your AC is 1.026 kilometers. And if you have to convert it into meters, so you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we will convert AC into meters as 1.026 multiplied by 1000. Now when you are multiplying any number by a power of 10, the decimal point will shift that many places to the right. When you multiply by a power of 10, the decimal point will shift how many places to the right? To the right, not to the left. Okay, so this decimal point will move 3 places to the right, not to the left. So your answer will be, it will be 1026 meter. See, the 3 zeros are there. So the decimal point will shift 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So that makes the distance, the height of the plane when it started landing was 1026 meter, or approximately 1 kilometer. I hope you got the sum. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please.